Hi, I'm Stephy Fung, and with Adobe, we are exploring quick Substance Painter tricks for digital fashion. Today, we are creating embroidered text using the ribbon tool. So let's get into it. Alright, we are in Substance Painter, and this is what we are going to add text to. The first thing we are going to do is select the fill tool, and then we are going to add the black mask. I want to use the new ribbon tool. So as you can see, I've already got it written here, but if you don't see that, you can press X and type in ribbon yourself. See this custom ribbon, double click it, head over to here, the ribbon path. You want to click that to activate it. So we have a lot of options here for you guys to play with. This is a new feature, but today we are playing with text. Now, if I click on that, they have a lot of options. So for me, I want to test out this one today, text embroidered. And all I'm going to do is click from one side of this yin and yang circle to another. It has lorem ipsum here so that you can see where your text is going. However, I can see it is looking a little bit unbalanced in terms of the spacing, so I'm going to add extra points in between, and I am able to move them and arts direct exactly where this text goes. So I want to make sure it's roughly the same spacing. Now, we don't want this to say lorem ipsum, we want this to say yin and yang. Now I can see the G is intersecting the pattern here, but it's okay. We can always move it. This is what I really like about this tool. It's editable. You can keep tweaking it till you are happy with the placement. Now, as much as I'm loving this typeface, I do think we can change this font. So go to Alpha. You can type in font in the search bar, and anything that has AG, those are the fonts you can play around with. So we got things like this, things like this. Okay, we will go for something just like this. Now this is looking a little bit flat, so go to the material here. Let's add some height, increase it, drag the slider. You can see it looks like it's raised now, and actually it's given more of that embroidered look to it. So let's choose rough. And I do think the typeface is still not it. Here we go. We'll choose something like that. Now this is one way you can use the embroidered text, and I just quickly want to show you the other options that we have up here with all of these other texts. So what I'm going to do, just going to click off this path one, and I will simply draw some points here, right? Some crazy line. Maybe in a project you really need a very custom line for your text to follow. And as you can see here, right now we still currently have the embroidered text, and you can see it's got this embroidered effect. But what if we chose the other one? So let me just go to text aligned left. And then if we go to text again, we can press text aligned left repeated. As you can see, now it is all repeated across the line, which is really good if, for example, I wanted to have this go all around this circle here. Then the next one is text align right. I think you can guess what that does. It goes to the right side of the end of the line. So this would be the left up here, all the way to the right. Let's try text centered, and it goes to the middle, which is pretty neat. And the last one, text stretch. It fills the whole line. They're all very useful tools, and it really depends what you need for your garment or for your digital fashion piece. So I'm going to delete that path because we are not using it. And if you see this line here, don't worry, that's okay. Just click off the ribbon tool. I hope you find this tool helpful, and I hope you give it a go. Thanks for tuning in to this digital fashion series with Adobe. More quick Substance Painter tutorials are coming, so don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.